Creating Navitents. 7 steps. Step 1. So I'm going to create a title. I'm going to go to trail. I'm going to go to active. I'm going to continue. I'm going to go ahead and type in my title. Let's see, this is a trail, and then I'll type in my summary. Let's see, this is the summary. And that's it. So I'm going to create a goal here. And this is a goal to learn this site. And I'm going to build my sentence here. I'm going to use accelerate. This will accelerate. Let's see, the achievement. And I'm going to use the word of, and accelerate the achievement of learning this site. And you can see my sentence is built here. I'm going to add a synopsis for this goal. Let's see. This is detail. And that's it. Now I'm going to add elements to my Navitent. This is my elements list. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to create a new element. I'm going to call this element a dumbbell because that's what it is. Dumbbell. And I'm going to add to list. But I can see this one already exists in a list. So I'm going to go over here to add for my library. I'm going to add dumbbell. I'm going to add selected. Now I can go down here, and since it's the only thing I'm going to have in my Navitent, I can name this list. Naming list is useful if you're going to use these elements again. So I'm going to call this dumbbell list 2, and that's it. Creating elements is for trails. For guides and maps, we'll add Navitents. To do this, we'll come down here, and we'll just click on Add Navitent. We'll select a Navitent to add. We're selecting a trail. Click Add Selected, and there it is. This is a trail that we've added, and that's it. Now we're going to assemble a Navitent. This Navitent we're assembling is an active trail. And I can come down here for this trail and set a zone. Like I said, before breakfast, for example, but I'm going to leave this an open zone. I can come over here and set a duration. I'm going to say 30 minutes. Well, let's keep this simple. Let's say this is a 2-minute trail. And I can come down here and add elements. What do I want to use to this? I'm going to add a dumbbell, and I'm going to do 20 reps with an intensity of 5. And I'm going to come over and set a rest amount. So I'm going to rest for 30, say, time seconds. Then I can come down here and give a name to this exercise. I'm going to call this dumbbell bench press. And now I can come down here and add a second set. So let's do that. I can go in here and put in the information for the second exercise, the same way I did the first. And I can continue adding sets, and that's it. So now I'm going to give my Navitent details. Navitents can have a level, they can have a type, they can have a phase, and I can come down here and I can give my Navitent a category. Let's give this one lifestyle and fitness. I can give it a second category. I can give it a subcategory. I can come down here and name this location in case I want to use it again for another Navitent. I can come down here and set up a price for this. I can leave this blank if I want this Navitent to be for free, or I can come over here and I can click on here to set up a price. And it'll tell me I need to set up a merchant account. That's okay. I'll just come down here and click on this, and I can set up my merchant account here. But let's decide we want to make this for free. So I'll just go ahead and I'll close this out. And that's it. Now I'm going to customize my Navitent. I do things like adding my icon and my banner. I can add videos and documents. I can come down here and add my document, embed a video. I can add related Navitents to this Navitent. I can come down here and add environments, assessments, variables, attributes, and hypothesis. I can determine whether this is restricted so that others can't use this Navitent in their own, or unrestricted so that they can, or published or unpublished. This determines whether it shows in the marketplace. And that's it. And now I'm going to finish my Navitent. I can see everything that I've done here. I can go in and I can edit things like my summary or my goal. I can come down here and I can edit my publishing permissions or my customization. I can set up a preview. This will be what people see in the store. I'm going to select this as its own preview so I can see how that looks there. I can come down here and share it with my friends and send to followers, or I can go and create another. And that's it. And that was the basics for creating a Navitent. It's your intelligence. Now what are you going to do with it?